Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So currently, as you can see, I'm Roblox right now, and because in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix lag. Okay? Now, if you're saying I'm using a computer right now, it's perfectly fine. Please stay at the end of the video, even if you're using a mobile, a phone, a tablet, even a laptop. Okay? They're literally the same process of what I'm going to do right now, whether what you should do on your phone, tablet, or even a laptop. Okay? Now, basically, the first thing you want to do is, of course, log into Roblox, join any server, and make sure you're in the same thing as I'm doing right now, walking around. Now the next thing you want to do is click on the escape button to access settings. Once you have access settings right here, hover your mouse on this section, of course, settings. Okay? Now the first thing I want you to do is hover your mouse or scroll a little bit down on this section, graphics mode. Now make sure this is on manual, not automatic, because by default, you're gonna have it on automatic, okay? Now make sure you're in manual and then lower your graphics quality all the way down. That's the first step on how to fix your lag on Roblox, okay? Next step is of course using your internet, making sure you have a good internet connection. After doing that, that's the second step. Now last step and foremost is going to be making sure that your Windows is up to date. Making sure your phone is up to date is basically simple, okay? Now one more step, just a little extra step for you guys. Now go to settings again, and from here making sure that your volume or camera settings should be low, okay? Okay? That being said, that's how you do it. That's how you remove lag on Roblox. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.